That's part of our commitment to keeping you informed and empowered about what's going on within our state amid the coronavirus outbreak. Every Sunday night, our news team is bringing you a review of stories that have happened in the past week and a preview of what's to come in the week ahead.
The week that was came with a warning on Friday from Governor Polis, a steady spike in positive COVID cases across the state in September. And for the first time in months, at least 200 people are hospitalized with symptoms across the state. A News 5 investigation this week found that we are not getting accurate hospitalization numbers from all hospitals in the state, indicating a major issue with transparency and the ongoing threat from this virus. A big takeaway this week, the President and First Lady testing positive for COVID, showing us that no one is immune as they recover with mild symptoms. In El Paso County this week, the health department reports the incidence rate of COVID near 37%. That could jeopardize our level 1 status that impacts capacity limits at restaurants and other gatherings. Colorado Springs-based Womack Ministries lost a court battle this week when a federal judge in Denver said the governor's capacity limit at 175 people is not unconstitutional and is in the best interest of public health. Attorneys for the ministry will appeal as they're set to hold a conference where hundreds usually attend. School enrollment, in person or online, a big issue this week as the annual Count Day was held on Thursday. The worry is low numbers due to the pandemic could adversely affect funding for our local school districts. In Pueblo, some good news. Patio dining is back. The city and county moving forward with measures to allow more people to dine in now and through the wet winter months, weather permitting, of course. Major testing sites at Pepsi Center and the Aurora Sports Park shut down so that more satellite testing locations can be established in the areas of the state where there's a greater need right now. And statewide testing continues to climb. The reality is this is not going away. We need to continue to work together to protect ourselves and others, social distancing, wearing masks, washing our hands frequently, but we will get through this as progress is being made on a vaccine. Stay strong, don't give up. Always watching out for you, I'm Rob Quirk.
Also watching out for you, I'm Elizabeth Watts with a look ahead at some of the stories you'll see this week on News 5. Tomorrow, I'm introducing you to some nonprofits having to navigate these trying times, how they've had to pivot their fundraising efforts while large gatherings are still off the table. Then on Tuesday, Patrick Nelson shows us how a big family restaurant back open for business, how Chuck E. Cheese is on the rebound, and the ways they're working to keep families safe during COVID-19. Then after a hot summer, we are about to hit those winter cold months, which can put a strain on families' wallets due to using that heater. Thursday, Patrick has some expert advice on how to manage these extra energy costs. We have these stories and so much more coming up on News 5 this week. Remember, we will get through these tough times together. Stay safe and healthy. Don't forget to do your self-care, and we'll see you this week on News 5.